What is going on, everybody? Today is the day we are finally PlastiDipping the car. Well, this is actually day 2 of the process. I went ahead and yesterday I masked up the entire car. Removed the headlights, masked up the splitter, bags on the wheels, stuff like that, masked up the windows. And it's pretty much ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it another clean. I'm going to find something to mask up the tow hook and the exhaust. Maybe just a plastic bag or something. But other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. So yesterday I went ahead and done a little test panel just to make sure the gun and everything was still working as it should, because I've not used it for a couple of years since I've done my old BMW. And I'm proud to say it's all working fine. So this is the colour of the car. You can see it's like a light primer grey, almost Nardo grey, but matte. Now when you're working with PlastiDip, it's very important that everything is clean, because anything that's not clean, it's like a big sticker. When you put a sticker on your car, you're going to have to clean the surface before and make sure there's no polish or anything. Well, it's the same with the gun and everything. So if you want to get the best finish out of the gun, you want to make sure this gun is clean. Now I've washed this gun thoroughly. I mean, the bucket's a bit dirty, but that's on the outside, it's fine. But the insides of the gun I've sprayed through the specific gun cleaner I've got. Now this isn't actually PlastiDip, this is called Full Dip, and I got it from a company called matpack.co.uk. This is the tin here. Now it's just the same basic idea as PlastiDip, so it comes pre-thinned, ready to spray. You just have to give it a good shake up into the reservoir, gun, spray. Really can't be much more simple, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick shake up. So once again with PlastiDip, the thicker you put it on, the easier it's going to be to peel off. Now last time when I PlastiDip, this was my first time PlastiDipping, didn't listen to any instructions and just done it my own way. And even though it was a good finish, when I tried to remove it, it peeled off in tiny little bits and it sucked and it took forever. So last time when I bought this, I only bought 2 litres of it, and I only used half a litre. Now it was enough to cover the car, but it was not enough to get that durable, thick coating of dip on the car. So I now have 1.5 litres left, and even though that's probably less than you should use, I'm just going to go ahead and use all of it to get the thickest coat I can. Now as I said, I'm probably just going to get red and PlastiDip over this eventually, so that, and then that will build up an even thicker coat, making it even easier to remove. It'll also act as a better base coat for the red than the blue. So the PlastiDip is now in the reservoir. We're going to go ahead, put the gun on, and we're pretty much ready to spray. My friend is coming and he's going to give me a hand, so I'm going to wait for him to arrive before I actually start spraying. guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave it here. So happy S14 is done, looking amazing. Just waiting on those rear spacers coming in. Oh man, it's been a long few weeks trying to get this done, and now I'm going to have nothing to do until it's time to drive it again, which isn't till next month. But yeah, so happy to have it done, looking less like a shed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked this video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, dislike the video. Comment, and please subscribe. If there's anything you want to know about PlastiDip or Full Dip or anything about that, leave a comment and I'll try to do my best to answer it. Honestly though, couldn't recommend this enough. The rap it gets for being shit and taking the paint off your car is not true unless you misuse it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.